All right. Hello and welcome in. I am the average goob. Hello, Stellar Frog. It's goob birthday time. Indeed, it is my birthday, and today we're celebrating the launch of Arrrrchemist 0.6 because that's the goal for today. I think that's a gift to myself, is getting this game donezo to a point where I'm going to go on to the next project. This was not meant to be a 3-month long project. It was supposed to be a 2-week long project, but I've been enjoying it, and looks like the only thing I didn't really get to are the ridiculous requests, so I guess we're in a good boat here. Uh, there are some things that I added over the past 24 hours, 48 hours, how long it's been. I don't know how long it's been. And some of them, like adding health potions to the shop, I don't even have to do this anymore because I added little heart chests to the game. So we've got these now, and enemies have a chance to drop them. So that's cool. Also, I figured out how to get UI elements to overlay. Now, I swear I tried this before, where I had an area 2D, and then using that as the mouse events, and it didn't work before. I did it again, and it works now. So I don't know why, but I decided to make its own object, place it on the merchant shop. That way I can put these signs anywhere if I wanted to. And now it just has a tooltip, so whenever you're in game, it takes on the tooltip. Also, you can see it. Nice. That's so cool. You can see it in game. So I added a new mouse or cursor to the game so that it fits the style of the game. And then we've got these little chests. And they make little popping sounds whenever you click the hearts. Oh, the Kraken just disappeared. He's here somewhere. I heard him splish splash away, but I spawned the Kraken in to fight so that I can script the fight a little bit more. He does lurk. He does hide under the water. I'm thinking about making... Oh, I just heard him spawn. I think he's down here. Yeah. So I added a few effects to the bottom of him here. I added a level and experience kind of system here, and this really just determines the amount of gold that you get when you destroy chests. Just a fun little thing to add stats to, and just also to practice, of course. No, they don't flip whenever he flips. Yeah, so they don't go to the right place, but I mean, it's really just... What do you do? I don't know. But anyways, so the alchemy shop has a little tooltip now, which is so cool. And this pirate fighting me down here is not cool. So he needs to stop. So I can show off the fact that this is still working. Take a breather. Alright, so now you can go dock your ship. You can go to the alchemy shop, pick up some potions. I think I may have made them too cheap, but I guess we'll see. Hey, Pipin! Long time no see. How you doing? Now that's what I call winning. Yeah, look at this. The Kraken's been chasing me around all day. So I was just going over some of the changes and updates that I've made to the game, and probably going to be a lot of just testing today and polishing off the game because I think it's good. I think it's good to go. Adding any new features is going to be an overhaul of things, so I don't want to work on the game for another 3 months. Thank you. Thanks. I added a bunch of stuff to Merchant's Cove down there, and then I used those assets and kind of decorated the map a little bit more. So we've got like pirate ships out in the sea, so you can see that's not a good place to go. You can see that the beach is not good. It just shows just kind of depictions of where you shouldn't be going. But yeah, added a bunch of new like little huts, and I probably could put these huts over on like the islands, so might do that as well. But I wanted the alchemy shop to be kind of on its own thing in Merchant's Cove so that you can't just upgrade on the go while you're just fighting ships and just pause in the middle. You're gonna pause, just pause. You don't need to go to a shop menu. But yeah, I think the Kraken should still be following me. I don't think he's getting stuck on anything, which is nice. I was kind of seeing if I can get the pirate ships to drop a health as well. I just heard the Kraken. I made a ridiculous sound. Oh, there he is. I made a ridiculous sound effect for him to spawn, and then when he goes away, he splashes. Also, I think I need to adjust this back cannon so that it can hit them a lot sooner, too. I think that was one thing I wanted to do today. Oh yeah, that's right. It's only like a 10% chance to drop health. So it still encourages killing the shadows, but you can now kill ships. Maybe not these ones. Ooh. Yeah. Heard the Kraken, said the old man with 2 peg legs in the tavern. I've heard the Kraken. I was thinking about making the shadow balls deal more damage to the shadows. Oh, did you see it? He disappeared. I was thinking about making shadow damage deal more shadow damage to the shadows. Ah, how fun. Wait, does, wait a second. How do they determine if they get hit or not? Was the Kraken killing alchemy cannonball? Was that a Kraken killing alchemy cannonball? That is hard to say. That's what the shadow ball is going to be. Also, I think I need to make it so some splashes happen whenever the Kraken disappears. So I'll see how I can do that, but I'm not seeing where I can damage, so maybe it's in here. Oh, it is. It's right here. Minus damage. I feel like I can put this in the shadows, though. It's amazing that I just named this shark shadow. This code's a mess. Shadow. Image area. Is that a script thing that I can use? Okay, it's looking for shadows and tiles. Oh, is it just this entire thing? Collision for shadows. How is it taking damage? Oh, Oh, that's right. It takes damage from... Jeez. What is it? Cannonball Splash. There it is. So it's only dealing 1 damage to them? No. What? Alright, we gotta pass. We gotta pass some damage into this. This is unacceptable. So I won't even need... I think I can modify this now. So let's see. Int. Oh, is it lowercase? Okay. Okay, so when this Cannonball Splash appears, it deals the damage. I knew there was something different about it. I forgot. It's been 3 months. Okay. So I need to pass this whenever a cannonball spawns it. Okay, splash scene. How the heck do I spawn a splash scene? Chip damage scene. Ah, splash right here. When I searched for that, it didn't show it up. It didn't show it up. It didn't show up. Okay. And then are we passing the damage? Okay, so we'll just pass it here. Flash. Damage. Get it? Splash damage. Okay. That should hurt them a little bit more. Let's go ahead and grab some shadow balls. Where you at? Dolphin somewhere. There he is. I mean, I don't really know how much more damage it's doing, but I feel like that's killing it a lot faster than it once was. Look at it go. Okay. So much better. Wow, that guy's angry. Look at He's like, how dare you scare me? Very cool. Okay. Cool. The XP is working too. I'm just going to kill a couple ships here. I think if I kill... No, I have all the ships. Everything's reset, so you gotta kill like 40 ships to get the Kraken to spawn. I might make it like a randomized number so that it's more of an individualized experience. Okay, so I can probably increase the shadow damage now. I don't know what I would do for a spawning animation. You know what? I might do like where he goes down into the water, like it scales him down and scales him up fast. Because him just popping up, it is scary though. That did just scare me. I'm not gonna lie. And then he goes, Okay, oh, another thing. I think I need to disable the lurking. Hey, dev guy, welcome in. I was stream, dude. I was actually watching the end of your stream. I didn't realize you're gonna be ending so soon. I saw that you were you had some bugs or something you were dealing with. Some GPU scares. Hopefully you got all that fixed up. Welcome in, Raiders. I'm the average goob. Today is my birthday. I'm an old man, and I'm trying to finish up Arrrrchemist to get this new version out, and then maybe talk about the next project or play some games today for a little bit. But we'll see. There's a lot of testing. Oh, he disappeared right in the last hit. But there's a lot of testing. I want to finish up the Kraken. I've got, I think, all the assets I need in the game now. But it has been a journey. It's 3 months in the making. I'm not gonna lie, the shadow balls are my favorite. Okay, the Kraken, there he is. I got him! Look at all those coins. Hey, thank you. Thank you. I got plans this weekend, so I swear that... Thank
Happy
you for the 100
birthday.
bits. I swear that I didn't choose stream over going out. I swear. The plans are this weekend. Hey, RTN. Thank you. Welcome in. How you doing? Gosh, I'm actually, after this game's done, I'm gonna take some GIFs and change out some of the effects, because all of the other ones are from Key, which are funny. But nobody's gonna understand what that even is now. It's gonna be a bunch of goob goob. Okay. Where is the Kraken? We need to disable the lurk. Hey, Foolbox. Happy birthday to the guy that we raided earlier. Oh, okay. Happy birthday to him. He was actually, that was a good little stream. I enjoyed that Foolbox. Thanks for raiding out to him today. It was nice. Stream went well. I didn't fix my GPU crash bug. Now I'm 100% confident what's causing it. Okay, that's good. At least you know now, but unfortunately after you stop streaming. So hopefully you can get that fixed. Hey, RGB Productions Games. Welcome in. Yeah, welcome to the party. You raided into here. Oh, okay, right. Thanks, Fullbox. Thank you. The raid eye. There's only one raid, right? Yeah, okay. He's very chatty about a lot of stuff. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I honestly like his video editing and his graphics abilities, his animation abilities. It's pretty sick. It sucks to hear the story, but very impressive set of skills. Happy age, hold the 1 equals 0 day. Mod 1 equals 0 day? Oh no, the complicated math. Speaking of complicated math, I actually did that today for the leveling system. Look at that. Anybody know what this means? The pow. I don't. Minus equals 1, you start counting backwards now. Oh, is that what happens? So like I'm actually 29 today? Wow, it's amazing. The older you get, the younger you are. Basically 1.1 to the level -1. Yeah, that's the power of level -1. It basically 10% of each level is your experience needed. So it starts at 50 and then it just goes up by 10%. Gotta take a break for exercise, meditation, and food. Be back later. Maybe. All right, Dev Guy. Thank you for the raid again, and go take care of yourself. Appreciate you. The little pizza party goob. I'm gonna make him big. Where is he? Have I not? I haven't used it. Nom. What was I doing? Oh yeah, disable. I got lost. I was disabling the lurk. Oh no, this is the shark. Where is? Okay, that keeps happening a lot too. When I switch to a script, I almost want it to switch over in the scene to what I'm editing, because there's been times where I'd create a timer and I'd create all the functions like the hearts spawning. These animated hearts were supposed to spawn on something else, and I was editing the entirely wrong script. So, and you can see I've got a lot of scripts, so it happens. And so I was like, the lurk area, where'd it go? Need to make a script that just disables and enables the right things, but technically it's all just right here, so it's fine. Lurk area dot monitoring was false. And true. This way we don't want the player just sitting on the Kraken. But I also kind of want to change the way it like pops up. So we've got it where it stores the player's location. And then we want this to pop up maybe at random half the intervals. So between like 5 and 20 seconds. Also, I discovered this Randy range instead of Rand F range. Now I understand that F was for floats that do things together, and I is for integers. Okay. Wait a second. Yeah. It'll be around for like maybe 5. We'll do up to 60 seconds. Let's have him hang out for a very long time, but he'll respawn sooner. Okay. And then we have the player location storing here. Okay, this is where I can set this. So I'm going to create randomize spawning near the player. So it's like sometimes like you can get into a pattern where you just go hide somewhere, shoot him, and then you know where he's going to spawn. I want to change that. So we could do var randomize location. Oh. And then we can say equals. Is it just randomize? Whatever. I'll do it from 1 to 10. And then if randomize location is greater than 8, so there's gonna be a low chance of this happening. Spell this wrong? No. We want to do the player location equals the player's current location. Player dot global. And then we can just, no, I don't want to modify it too much because we don't want him to go off the map. We want him to be where the player can be. So this is fine. This way there's a chance for him to like spawn right on the player. And this just means it can be 9 or 10. Do you know if Randy range is between these two numbers or inclusive? Between the from and to. Oh, it says inclusive. Okay. Right? This is saying it returns a random integer between these. I mean, but it's proving that it's includes those. I don't know. That's not very clear. About as clear as mud. But we should be able to do this. Yeah, here it's inclusive in Unity, min inclusive, max exclusive. Okay, so it wouldn't get to 10. I would have to do like 11 in Unity. By the way, how are those classes going well? You've done one, right? You saying Unity reminded me that you have to balance between two game engines. It went well and horrible at the same time. I want to ask why it went horrible. Is that wrong? Teaching people can be scary. I recently had an incident where I thought I was up for teaching, and then I realized my anxiety was just way stronger than my desire to teach. The students are smart and stupid at the same time. I mean, that's fair. I think that would be frustrating because, oh shit, like you want to expect that they're gonna be smart. That's what you want. And then they throw you a curveball at the same time. Your anxiety was through the roof. Now you feel better. So it's just like getting that first one out of the way. Do you feel like an imposter? Like the anxiety that I was getting is I felt like I was an imposter teaching. Do you get that? Is that the imposter feeling? And then like as soon as you started doing it, you're like, nah, I'm good. So I got to learn some techniques to kind of quell that. I mean, I go live and I make a video game where I don't know anything about this, and no problem. I have no problem doing this. I have 100 YouTube videos out. I have been streaming for like 200 and something hours this year, and yeah, when I first started, I had the anxiety, but now I'm like, nah. And I'm not having to teach anybody anything here, really. That helps. You weren't expecting people that don't know how to learn. Oh, that's interesting. I forget that learning is a skill. It is a skill. Like, you have to practice learning. You have to do the things that are good for you to learn. Because like for me, learning is hands-on. I have to be doing something to really understand something. By doing is how I learn. That's why this project went from, oh, I'm learning some tutorials to, okay, I'm making a game. Because that's how I learn better. You've done workshops and stuff like that at your old job. You knew you liked it, even if it stresses you out. It's interesting. Is it like, do the benefits of you teaching outweigh that feeling? And I mean, does it go away, or do you just kind of do you have to fight it every time? I feel like I'd have to fight it every time. Whew. Got the Kraken created. So when he disappears, I need to make it so he disappears. Like sharing knowledge and seeing people progress. Having a job of a teacher makes sense. Oh, that's why you keep showing up here. You're like, hey, he's actually progressing. You're like, this is something I can watch. And then I create bugs and you're like, he's never gonna learn. I stop using resources. He's never gonna learn. Oh yeah, every beginning of semester will be like that. I can see that. Yeah, that's kind of like streaming. I feel it did start out pretty strong, and then my extended break, like when I was gone for a week and came back, I was nervous again, and I almost I almost used it as an excuse to just not stream anymore. I'm like, but it's a chance to learn and share what I'm learning with people, so I'm like, I'm just gonna do it. You don't want kids, so for you, sharing your knowledge to others and the younger people is a way that you can contribute. Oh, that's such a good way to see it too. Yeah, like I don't necessarily want kids, but why not share my knowledge? And that's a good way to approach it too, so that it's kind of selfless in a way. It's selfish thinking that we have knowledge that people need to learn, but it's selfless because you're helping people. Yeah. Right. No, no, we're not forcing anyone to learn or anything. I mean, the view count really is telling on how much people want to listen to you. But maybe it's also a reflection of marketing. Maybe there's more people that do want to listen. I'm trying to at the same time figure out how I'm going to make him tiny. I've got the starting size. Um okay. Okay. Export. Let's do shrink. No, it doesn't matter. I don't need the shrink. It's going to be 0. I just need to create a variable uh shrink is going to be a boolean equals false. That's deep. Hyping, I don't know if you're coming in here with an ocean joke or the conversation because both are deep. Hey, whoa. What, why does it say sub? That is subliminal messaging. Thank you for the follow. RGB Productions Games. I swear that we're following each other. How are we not? Are we? Do you even stream? I've seen you in like so many people's streams. Well, I'm gonna follow you in case you do end up streaming, so now you can't say anything. But thank you for the follow. The Twitch screen went crazy with that goal. Oh no pun intended this time. Piping. You know we have those deep conversations sometimes. But yeah, I mean it's serious. Like getting in front of people and talking and like even in this situation, I'm not just talking to the people here right now. I'm talking to the people who are going to watch this video in the future. And granted, I don't have to post the videos to YouTube, but feel like it's like immortalizing what I'm saying. It's kind of scary. As long as YouTube's alive. My Twitch VODs just start dropping off. I think there's like 20 left. I saw a notification saying like 2 of the videos were leaving. I was like, I'm so glad I've been uploading them to YouTube and then organizing them. Start posting shorts. I did. My shorts get quite a few views actually. That's I have 69 subscribers on YouTube. Nice. That's where most of my views come from. And I posted a short the other day, and it was a clip about uh forcing people to follow, and I was like, maybe out of context this isn't that good, because like we as Twitchers, I don't know what we call ourselves, but uh and we get the bots that come in and say like, oh, cheap viewers, blah blah blah. I was making a joke about that, and I was like, maybe out of context it doesn't sound good, so I deleted that short. But they get like 400 plus. So yeah, I'm glad you started posting shorts. My I don't think I'm subscribed to your YouTube channel, man. You post normal YouTube videos? I see you. Hey, Fullbox gets distracted. Hold on. I just broke your 69. No! Okay, hold on. Hold on, I'm gonna... You don't mind, do you, Fullbox? You did just subscribe to me.
This stream is not gonna be very productive. I can say that right away. I'm getting very, very distracted. We haven't written a single line of code, but it's good because we're refactoring, and I don't really want to refactor, so...
Oh my gosh, that is so true. Which brings me to... I think I have this exact same clip. Never mind. Wait. I appreciate everybody. I haven't written a line of code in like 20 minutes. That's how awesome you guys are. Same deal. Same deal. It's made with AI. You know you can export your Twitch stuff straight from your dashboard. They've got, sorry for the flashbang. They've got the clips manager. Oh, okay. Made a pipeline in DaVinci to be able to do the audio captioning. Oh. YouTube does do captions, but they're not cool and styled. And obviously you have to have captions turned on for it to do it. But yeah, and I've never used DaVinci. I've got something called Wondershare Filmora. Actually pretty cool. It's pretty cool, not gonna lie. Why is my code, what's happening? Why was it doing that? I wasn't even on the screen. Oh no. Hopefully nothing messed up. Compile it just in case. Okay. Okay, so we need to shrink the Kraken. That is what we're working on. So if shrink is true, if shrink Um, Scale minus equals vector 2. I thought I already had this code somewhere. I guess I deleted it. You got it with a plugin that uses Whisper from OpenAI and Stable TS. I don't know what Stable TS is or something, and it's super nice. You can basically caption any video no matter the language. Oh, and have it captioned in English? And it's all local. Dang, that's actually really cool. I I need to see if there's something like that for Filmora. I was thinking about doing an edited video to put this entire journey all together, but I'm like, I don't want to go through 21 videos. This 21 and each one's around 2 hours. That's a lot of footage to go through. There any video editors out there? Anybody looking for some exposure work? I'm just kidding. Oh gosh. It's not perfect captions. You need to go and clean up a little bit. I mean, yeah, right now, but that's just right now. Yeah, exactly. It's never going to be perfect, and you're always going to want to add tweaks and stuff. But it gets you like most of the way there. That's what I like about AI right now is it gets you to where you need to be, and then eventually it'll know what you're looking for, and it'll just make it. Watching some Kurt Scott videos on AI and stuff, and it's just interesting to see, to not see but hear other thoughts about AI and like general AI, where things are going. He's not gonna shrink. Hang on. Uh, Shrink through. Then I'm gonna move that. Scale is less than or equal to vector 2.0. There's always going to be a need for a human touch at the end. For now, we are building the very thing to replace us so we can sip margaritas and coconut drinks on the beach. Right? That's what AI is for, right? This actually needs to go fast. So delta times 2 maybe. Does this work? Is this going to work, or do I need to... How can I manipulate the vector? Do I have to do it with these? Probably. Um, do and Google false. I heard the spawn. Sounds like a cat. That's like really cool. Oh, jeez. Okay. Maybe you want to add a little splash animation to that. Where is he gonna go? Turn up that sound effect so you can hear him spawn. It worked. Okay. I do wish I could figure out where to put these. Whenever he rotates, these aren't going with it. I mean, I don't have to make him face the player anymore. Technically, it just makes him more menacing, I think. Alright, he can be here for a while. Up to a minute. Probably change that while I'm testing. Whoa. Oh, and I want to make the tentacles have a chance to go, like, spawn on the player. That scared me. Okay. Very cool. Let's do an export. Splash scene as a packed scene. And then I think I'm going to make a new one. Do do a sprite. No, an animated sprite. Well, yeah. I'm gonna go copy it from one of these. Animated sprite. And then let's, oh yeah, we do need a, we're gonna have to scale it. Put a couple of them here together. And then let's move them all here. So I'm imagining. Oh. Let's put this in the enemy. Kraken splash. And then we're gonna add animation. Then we're gonna make a new animation. This is gonna be called splash. Put it to auto. Drag this to the top. I really don't want to animate all three of these at the same one. So I'm gonna put them under a parent. It'll be the splash node. Splash 1. Splash 2. Splash 3. Did it rename that automatically? Oh my gosh. Godot, how cool are you? The heck? All right. Let's see. I want scale. Insert a key. Honestly, gonna have to be pretty fast. Okay, and then from there, insert another key. Did it not take this on? Five? And then let's do another one for the opacity. I don't necessarily want to take like the entire time here. Why is this? Come on. Do I need to do this on each one? Because that would be annoying. Okay. Okay. You win. You splash. Wish there was a way to copy all these properties. Like copy these to another one. Muscle man development. Welcome in. How you doing tonight? On this beautiful Friday night. Oh, wish granted. Look at that. And copy and paste them. I'm tired just popping in to say hi. Well, I appreciate that. Thank you for stopping by. I hope that you have a great weekend in case I don't see you. And hopefully your week was pretty good. I always like having a nice tiresome week ending in some sleep where I can sleep in, but when you have a dog, that's very difficult to do. Isn't that right, little Sophie? She's just a shoulder. All right, and then no, go back to my animation editor. I have to get up for a volunteer thing from 8 to 10. Yeah, yeah, that's pretty funny. I mean, you volunteered, right? It was a volunteer thing. You totally didn't have peer pressure and social pressure telling you to do that, right? Well, hopefully you get all rested up for it, though. I don't like wasting Saturdays anymore. I feel like Saturdays are usually days for hiking and just getting out for a little bit. Goobing over gooning? No, not the same thing. I learned what that means, and it's not the same. Goobing is innocent. You don't believe me? Called out. The COD emote gets me every time. Ah, come on, where's the animation? What is this? Why is it not putting the rotation value 0? Value 0. Value 0. I was animating the wrong one. Crack myself up. Two. Rotation. No, now it's just rotated forever. Okay, I fixed. Insert. Insert. Maybe we insert it here. We can insert it there. Then we can insert one here and have it rotate. I mean, that's a little much. All right, that's fine. That's fine. I just want to get it in the game so I can see what it looks like. This is not a perfect animation, okay? But it is an animation, and that's what we're going for. A little bit of juice. What's this one? 21? We go negative 21. All right. Frackin' splash. Splash scene. Frackin' splash. Oh, I actually need to set this. And I have to queue free it. Cannot forget that. What do I do? All right. Call method on the whole thing. And then we insert a key here and we do queue free. It's going right there. Oh, and then what we can do, I guess the Kraken makes the splash sound, so this is fine. Current animation, splash. Is it just gonna play? How'd I do the hearts? Okay, so I guess I just have to spawn it in. Splash scene is set. Then it's going to shrink if we make this the parent. So I cannot make this the parent. But I need to set the position close. Okay. Play the splash animation. Let's do var splash equals splash scene dot instantiate. Oh. And then we want to do splash dot global position equals global position. I have to add it first. Get tree dot add child. Can you add? You can't add stuff here. Can I add this? Effects over. Effects underscore over. Actually, this is technically an under effect, so I'll just put it there. And then the position is set. That's it. That's all I need to do. I have a queue freeing itself. Ah. Oh, I still ran into it. I did not see an animation. You know why I never added it? It's all right. I can't claim that I'm new to Godot anymore, but I'm new to Godot. So come on, splash. Oh, it worked. Move it down. Started off a little bit smaller. I think these rotations are too much. Just 210. It looks goofy. Okay. And then do this again when he's spawning. I'm gonna put some space between these because bothering me. Okay. All right. Now let's see you spawn. works. Now I want to make sure we can hear this from a very far away. Maybe like 4,000. And then we're gonna put this on the sound effects. Put this on the sound effects. You can hear him hiding. I think 3,000 is probably fine. Okay. We should hear him spawn. Yeah, and he's pretty far away. That's pretty funny. Okay, and the lurk is gone, so he's no longer... I know he was here. Now that he's here, let's make sure the health goes down if you're just hovering over him. He is under the water. Cool, let me go make sure. Health is still good. All right, let's make sure the cannonballs are dealing the damage that we need. Some shadow cannonballs. Oh, geez, of course he spawns here in the alchemy shop. It'd be cool to make a function to like not spawn them on the tiles. These are individual objects. I can't even see his health bar. All right, and the next thing will be to make these tentacles spawn on the player. They're destroying this island for some reason. Can't control that. I wonder if I could pre-check. Oh, geez. Okay, well, he's almost dead. I win. All right. Okay, the tentacle spawns. Okay, so we've got... spawning around a circle, okay. Or we have a chance to spawn it somewhere else. So I think I'm gonna use the same logic. Where is it? Right here. Okay. So randomized location. If it's this, then we want to say tentacle spawn dot global position equals players dot global position else, and then we're going to take this and put that up there. Okay. So there should be a chance that the tentacles are spawning on the player, even way out here. Okay. Oh, Kraken. Did he spawn all the way down here? Oh, whoa! Why? Ooh, that's making me feel weird. Why he rotated? How did this happen? Why is he upside down now? I don't know. What rotate thing? I didn't rotate him. No, I didn't rotate him. Why was he facing the player? Nothing in here is making him rotate. Except for this. Okay. Okay, hang on. So maybe we do this. Oh, okay. No, that's right. Global player position. We do if player null turn. Wonder if we can set this up here. I don't like how I have to like add the item before I tell it where to spawn. It's so weird to me. But if you don't, then you can't access anything. Oh. Okay, hold on. Maybe he's rotating from the splash. Yeah, you like the despawn? Oh. Ah. So why did he flip upside down? Also, those tentacles seemed a little off, no? Oh, it spawned on me. That was good. That was good. Okay, no, they're doing the right thing. Ooh. Ah. Might take off this rotation. It doesn't matter. I like that the waves are just there. It's not terrible. Maybe I add a couple more so it doesn't look out of place. Maybe I add some here when it's flipped so it just kind of looks like it's in the water. Oh, maybe he doesn't need to move with that animated. Yeah, all right, I'll just do that. See what that looks like. I don't have to delete it. Just pass it for now. So technically, one of his tentacles could come out here and attack me. It's definitely outside of the range. And he's gone. Oh, that felt like it spawned on top of me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to increase the chance of that happening. Okay, that definitely spawned on top of me. That was cool. All right. And it's kind of to prevent the player from staying in one location, but also add a little bit of randomized radius around the Kraken. Hopefully he doesn't spawn upside down ever again. It made me feel weird though, even though it was funny. It made me feel a little weird, him being upside down. It was just like, the game felt different. All right, cool. They're spawning on me. That's good. I'm just going to do maybe a 40% chance. All right, I think the Kraken is scripted. I mean, he's got the entrance and exit animations. He follows the player. The tentacles have a chance to actually hit the player a little bit better. I feel like it's good. All right. Well, let's see what else is on that list. Not going to be doing the ship upgrades because I'd have to refactor a bunch of stuff. Not doing the companion bird. I even said I might scrap it. It's not really a point in the game. Increase the money drops. I did that. Create a tutorial level. This is more of a sandbox game now. It's kind of like an actual alchemy game. It's got exploration. You kind of test things to see what they do. One thing I was thinking about though is making the oceans have a combination with themselves too. Like all of them should have a combination of like blue, blue, green, green, all that kind of stuff. Because the first potion you buy, you'll be like, it's not doing anything. And it might be confusing. Hey, bro. Thank you. Hey, Pearly. Thank you, Luby. I haven't heard that name in ages. Welcome in. It's birthday. It's my birthday. Uh, yeah, welcome in. Hope you guys are doing all right. Hope your Friday was filled with tons of fun work. Hey! Bun Bun TV. Thank you for the sub. Dynamics Revenge. Welcome in. Where'd you guys come from? Thank you. Oh, lose the glasses. Are you kidding me? Oh, Nemo. Nemo, welcome in. Happy birthday. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. What? This is so out of the blue. Dynamics Revenge, thank you for the follow. All right. Per the requirement, I do have to lose my glasses, so we got no glasses for 5 minutes. Let me make my chat bigger. Okay, what just happened? Focus mode? All right, I will be focusing for 5. Let me just restart the timer. What is it? 10 minutes? Okay. Thank you for the bits. Thank you for the prime sub. Thank you for the gifted subs. For bits, this is very easy to contact. All right, we got the green potion spawning. All right, cool. So I think that's fine. Let me actually check what the second one is. Might raise these prices a little bit. Go to the blue potion. God, I can't see anything. Let's up this to 125. Okay. How much longer do we have? 6 minutes. All right. Get some more stuff done. Oh, can I take my... I can almost put my glasses back on. I almost put my glasses back on so I can actually see what's going on here. Focus mode is very hard with all these sounds, and as much as I want to check, I really can't see anything. I think 2 blue potions here would be good. Let's do... Make the blue and blue, that makes sense. Oh, I was gonna make the shadow ones deal more damage. Open up the splat. Almost put my glasses back on so I can see a little bit. Okay. So checking under the cannonball. No, it's all under the splash. I'm gonna increase the damage if this is... Need to send it actually. Cannon. Auto. All right, I can put my glasses back on. All right. Just make sure I'm all postured up and got to hydrate. Should cover all the hydrates. Okay. So we want to make sure the cannonball basic is sending the damage. And zoom out again. So okay, update the health. Fine. This is where we send the splash. Okay, I actually need to add this to the other one too. Cannonball auto, we want on the timeout. Just want this. Oh, geez, I'm just ruining it. All right, just want this. Okay. Then we put this down here. We got lots of damage coming from there. I didn't even think about adding it to the cannonball auto, but with this focus mode, I can think clearly. Not at all on the sounds that are going on. Let's see. Okay, so I need to actually send the type of cannon that I'm sending. The splash, I need to add a new var. Let's do cannon type. And then we'll make this a string, I guess. Equals null. I can't do a type null. Okay. What about an empty string? Okay, and then what we're gonna do here, if cannon type equals shadow, then we're gonna actually do this times 2. So we can increase the shadow damage done to the player here. I guess I'll have to check the sprite. No, type. We got type. And send the type with this. So splash dot type equals type. Oh, where did it go? Why? What happened? Okay, and then with the auto, we do the same thing. Okay, under the cannonball splash, this may not be a string actually. Oh, it is because in the player, we're sending it as was dot type. Oh, I'm not sending it anywhere. Cannonball basic, is this the only one that has type? Oh, it's right here. Default. And I think it's fire, shadow, all that kind of stuff. Oh, let me go check one of the shadow balls. All right. The focus timer's up. Oh my god, I'm shaking, everyone. Oh my gosh. I can't even, where do I start? What the heck? What is this? Will Goob have a happy birthday? Okay, let me catch up. Oh my gosh, so much happened. What are you doing? Welcome in. Thank you, Pearly, for the focus time. My heart rate is at 84, and I was very nervous, and all I heard was sounds. Nemo, thank you for the 1,000 biddies, and then back to back with the 100. Brother, thank you. 6 months in a row. Well, 6 months with a 1 month streak. 6 months though. Thank you for the sub. So much appreciation. Wow. I'm like shaking over here. And I chugged a bunch of G Fuel from all your hydrates. Thank you for that. Early with the 4 months. Much focus. Goodberry. Thank you so much for the sub. Welcome in. Dynamics Revenge. 10 gifted subs. What? Oh my gosh. Piping got a sub. Balanier got a sub. Erin got a sub. RGB Games got a sub. RTN. Dan Garrop. Wow, Muscleman Development even stopped by, did a little drive-by. Thank you so much for the 10 gifted subs. What the heck? Who are you? Where did you guys come from? What even happened? Oh my gosh. Piping the Goob Goobs. Nemo again. What the heck? 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3,900? What? Thank you. Pearly, I invited some friends. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm so far behind. I feel like now I know how Fullbox feels getting behind. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Bun Bun. Yeah, get Tamagotchi. I need to do a little bit of stretching too. Oh, Staff Himmel, welcome in. What happened? Pearly, thank you for bringing some friends. RTN with the got the gifted sub. Welcome to the goobers, the goobies, the average goobies. Wow. Okay, we got all these hydrates and posture checks. I almost chugged my entire G Fuel. I got quite a bit of stretching to do. Ryan, thank you so much. Welcome in, dude. What are all these chests? I got all these. Oh, that's so funny. Dynamics, thank you for the sub with Prime. Shout out to Erin. Yes, the bear streamer, the one who Tamagotchi's his bear. And he lifts a lot. Kind of jealous that he's got his gym just right behind him. Thank you, Pearly. I think we should be called the Loobsters. I think that might be taken differently. I think we'll have to stick with the average goobies. Also, what a rigged channel point. You guys just got all your channel points back. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. All right, well, we got pre-rolls off for the next 30 minutes. Focus time is over. Honestly, that focus time was a long time. I felt like I had so much to say. I wanted to thank everybody like right then and there. I did see, like I could see when my glasses were off, just a little bit of bits. I could see a little bit of bits, and then by the time my glasses were on, everything was gone. It was all just Tamagotchis. And like my hands are clammy. Thank you. Thank you for the birthday celebrations today. And that's it. That's all we got. I'm just kidding. Wow. Thank you. I don't even remember what I was working on. I was so focused. Granger, what's up, dude? Welcome in. You just missed one of the biggest focus modes I've ever had in my life. Nemo with the hydrate. I'm about to finish off this G Fuel. I feel like it's like half full. I mean, sorry, bad juice. What am I saying? Not sponsored. Oh, thank you, Granger. I appreciate it, man. I'm finally an old person. I served my year of turning 30, so here we are. We're all pump jumping. You gotta hit the bed. Well, hopefully not too hard, Bun Bun. Thank you for hanging out and joining the birthday celebration. I appreciate you, and I hope you have a great night. You know? Also, we need to petition the founder badges to be able to be changed so that people can put their goob goobs together. It's such a sad day. Whew. All right. Now that my heart rate has calmed down by the 20s, what are we doing? What about the founder badges? Well, so you see how Granger has a really cool 3-month goob goob? Holy cow, Granger. You've been here for three, no, 2-month badge, 3-month subscriber. You've been here for 3 months. Sheesh. Um, so he's got a goob goob, and then I think I have the golden goob. Yeah, I've got the golden one, but the founders don't get a goob goob. You're stuck with the founder badge. Also, I'm a 47-month subscriber. Get on my level. You have the option to change it? I don't think so. Stellar Frog said she can't change it. That she's stuck with the founder's badge. And like if you go under chat identity, you should have like a different subscriber badge, right? Isn't that kind of weird? Like maybe I can change my founder badge to a golden goob goob. Let me see. Which can I change founder? No, you cannot upload a custom founder's badge. Badge.
Have a drink on
Hey!
me for your birthday, dude.
Granger with the 2K biddies. What the heck? Thank you, Granger. Oh my gosh. Have a drink on me for your birthday. All right, here's the deal on that. My toe kind of hurts, and I'll take one of these drinks. I don't have any alcohol here. But I will have a drink on you. Thank you, Granger. It'll always be for founders. Yeah, you're just gonna have the first badge. No goob goobs for you. Holy cow. All right, well, I mean, thank you everyone for all the support. I guess I have to keep working on this game. I said I was gonna finish it tonight. But we are close. From the 0.6 notes, we are close to finishing this up. I'm obviously not going to include the Flying Dutchman and dolphins with laser beams attached to their freaking heads, or nuclear whales. But for all of you that don't know who I am, I'm the average goob. I was in a focus mode forced on me by Pearly, so you can thank her for that very, very good focus. But I have a little website called Average Game Studio. I am a professional web developer and a hobbyist game designer, aka I've done a ton of game jams. I've got a bachelor's in game design, but I don't even know how you use a bachelor's in game design. So I just make little fun games, and the past 3 games, Quiet Quitter, Key the Board Warrior, and Arrrrchemist, are all games that I have created with my own artwork. So I started learning art this year for games, and I'm putting it to use. I was gonna do just kind of like the low poly shapes and all this, but I'm like, no, I need to venture out, and so I did Key the Board Warrior, and everything's hand drawn by me, and there's also a blog attached to that. Okay, hang on a second. There's a blog attached to that. I gotta fix that button apparently. I just said professional web developer, but I'm also good at creating bugs. Um, but yeah, so there's a blog just kind of talking about everything I did for it. And every one of these blogs should have, they don't. Twitch got rid of them. I'll have to go swap these out for YouTube videos, but these were the Twitch videos, the VODs for it. So everything is here other than the VODs, and that's why I did screenshots and I did like text and stuff behind it. So you can see my journey for learning how to do game art. But I am a chronic game jammer and I'm trying to get out of it. So I've been working on Arrrrchemist now for 3 months, and it started out as a game jam game, my first game in Godot. And today I'm finishing it off so that I can start working on the next project, which probably means another game jam. Not gonna lie, probably gonna do a game jam to get it started, but we'll see. Yeah, RGB Productions, you are a sub now. We had a little bit of a hype train. I think that's actually the first hype train. I missed it. I missed the hype train. But that was the first hype train, I think, on this channel. So thank you so much. And for getting it to level 6, everyone. I'm seeing it now in my notifications. Thank you. I appreciate that. I have no words except thank you, and I'm gonna launch this game tonight because you're all here to support me. And the game's launched. I'm just going for version 0.6. What's the boo for? And why is the sad face? Did I miss something? Is it because I don't know what it was? Oh no, it's because the link was broken. Hang on, I'm gonna fix this right now, okay? It's weird that it did that though. Okay, that's weird because huh. What does this do? It's putting a bunch of like weird characters at the end of it. That's okay. I've got the solution. Like the characters aren't in the link. It's just I don't know, that's weird. Let's see if it fixed it. Yeah. All right. Let me clear the cache. Everybody that does web development understands how annoying cache is. Clear that out. Okay. All right. Right here. Here we go. You ready? Boom! Fixed it just like that. There's proof. There's proof. Now you can believe that I do web development. You just didn't see any of it. All right. So I was working on the shadow before I started sweating, and we got damage ×2, and I realized that I'm passing them through, but I don't know if I'm ever setting the type. I think that's coming from these. No, it can't be. Am I sending the type anywhere? Come on. Goo, fire, ice, rubber, shadow. That must be these. This game is massive. For what it is, there's so much code in here that I'm like, I don't remember what half of this stuff does anymore. Oh, I knew it was gonna happen. All right, what do we got? Type of string. Invalid assignment of property. Okay. I'm literally passing a string to a string. Oh. Passing the wrong variable. And then here as well. Okay. Just so you know, a tentacle can hit me from this distance. Theoretically. think I heard the Kraken disappear. That's terrible. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Irish John Games with the raid. Wow. Oh my gosh. All right. Irish John Games, welcome in, Raiders. I literally just calmed down from a hype train. What's going on? How was stream? You know I was in there for like 3 hours today. Welcome in, everyone. BitGamey, Fresh Meat, EM Audio, RTN. Wait, you cheating on me? You were just in here. NanoDev, welcome in. Scully Redhawk, Irish John Games, thank you so much. Yes, thank you for the shout out for Irish John Games. I am guilty that I almost joined your game jam, but I instead chose to finish this game up. Oh, wow. Muscle Man, welcome in. Thank you for the birthday wishes. Best uncalm down ever. Gotta be right back pretty much instantly. That's fine. Thank you for the raid. Go take care of yourself, man. I know you have long streams with your partner pushing everything. Thank you so much for bringing everyone over. Hello, everyone. I just did my spiel. I'm the average goob. I am a professional web developer and a hobbyist game designer with a bachelor's in game design. And like I said, I don't know how to use my bachelor's, so I'm just going to make games for fun. If anyone knows how, let me know. It's an expensive piece of paper right now. That's all it is. So I come from a background of making games in Game Maker, but I am evolving a little bit. So I've got a little website called Average Game Studio. You can give that a little check out, and you can see that I am a chronic game jammer. And recently this year, I have put together 2 video games, and this is my 3rd one actually, where I did all the game art for myself, and I'm learning Godot as well. So I even added under tools, look at that. I'm a Godoer now. Godot official follows me on Twitter, so that means I'm official, right? But I got a bunch of games here. Feel free to check them out. I've made these games over the past 15 years, and I've had a blast making them. I've had different teams helping me, different artists. I've had programmers, musicians, sound effects people, sound designers, if you will. I've had tons of help on all these games and stuff. And again, I think I'm going to say 95% are made in game jams. 99 of them probably started in game jams. Thank you for the follow, Scully Redhawk. Thank you, Fresh Meat 911 for the follow, and NanoDev. Thank you so much. Welcome in, everyone. Godot mentioned. I see April Dawn. Welcome, welcome. How to make games or how to have fun doing them? Honestly, NanoDev, both. I think how to make games is important, but fun might be more important, because when you get into the nitty gritty of making games, it can start to feel like more like a job, even when you're doing it for fun. EM Audio, thank you for the follow, and Icy April Dawn, thank you for the follow. Welcome in, welcome. Let me know if you ever need a voiceover. Hey, will do. I plan on streaming game development here on my channel, and so if you ever stop by and you hear me making sound effects in Audacity, feel free to speak up. We've actually had some help here, even on this game. Stayuk helped with a ton of sound effects, and RTN actually helped make the main music for the game. So I can give you guys a little bit of a show here. I was actually about to test the shadow damage to make sure the cannonballs are correctly transferring damage. So this is just a little game that, oh, there's a tentacle. This is a little game that I put together for the Pirate Game Jam this year. I guess not, I think he does a couple of them in the year, but Pirate Jam 15. And the theme was Shadow and Alchemy. So I created an alchemy shop where you can mix and match potions, and they do different things. So I'm actually just testing the Shadow one out right now. But you can go around, you've got health chests, you've got different monies that you can pick up. And there goes the Kraken doing his upside down thing again. I don't know why he's doing it. I don't know why he's doing it. Just don't worry about him. Don't worry about him. He only just started recently doing that, so I gotta figure whatever that is. Yeah, Arrrrchemist. So it's got a little pun in the name. But yeah, so here we got the different alchemy potions have special effects. So like the shadow one makes the enemy ships run away. Let me go back down. I can go get the other ones. The Kraken kind of threw off my groove. I was gonna use him for my testing dummy. But he's upside down, so let me go back to the shop. Okay, now he's just upside down forever. Alright, let's just snag all these. Oh no, I don't have enough money for everything. Alright, so we got goo balls, which, don't worry about him. They, I'm gonna die. The Kraken's gonna kill me. Oh my gosh, I can't get out of Merchant's Cove. I'm stuck here forever. So the goo balls stick people. If I can ever get a goo. There we go. So it sticks them in place, much like the ice potions. I'm gonna die. Dang it. Okay. Water's nice, come in. The Kraken. I know, he's like upside down. Okay. Okay. So we've got the frost ball, which freezes the enemy ships. Nothing actually affects the shadows underneath the water because they're under the water, and so like you have to hit them with the cannonballs, but I want to make the shadow ball deal damage to them because they're like in the same realm. But then we got ice that freezes them. They can't shoot or anything. But if you do the goo ball, oh, I missed, then it sticks them in place, but they can still shoot. So they've got a little bit different effects here. The shadow one obviously fears them or kills them like that one did. And then we've got a fireball, which you guessed it, misses the enemy ship. There we go. It puts them on fire. So they take kind of like a ticking damage as they chase you around. So it was kind of a fun project. This is my first game in Godot. I started this 3 months ago, and this is kind of the polish that I've gotten to. Again, as we can all see, I have no idea why the Kraken was spawning upside down. He seems to be fine now. But yeah, so it's a scripted fight. There's dolphins and sharks and whales that are all shadows that follow you. And once you kill them, you get health from them and stuff. I got tooltips. I created a little custom tooltip option here, so you can kind of see what each of these things do. And as you change the potions, it'll tell you what they do and what they mix with, which was important. And then we've got our different abilities here. So we can fire our cannons. We have the ship ram, so it makes you go fast. And then we have club hauling, which turns your ship around on a dime. Everybody loves club hauling. Originally it was called ship flip, and then before that it was flip-a-bee. So it has come a long ways. But I think the Kraken, correct me if I'm wrong, might need to be fixed. And I think I can do that by just ensuring that he's not flipping on his y-axis. It seems to have done it when I removed this code. So let me uncomment this. What do we got here? Standalone. Oh, so my effects wouldn't have even worked here anyways. So we want to do damage equals, we do times equal 2. Call it damage. All right. So let's test this out. The shadow cannonball should really hurt the shadows now. Gotta head out, try to catch another stream. Enjoy the rest of your birthday. Thank you so much, EM Audio. I appreciate you. Hope you have a good rest of your night and weekend, in case I don't see you. Oh, the Kraken is just right there. Okay, see, he didn't flip there. I don't think the damage is transferring. I'm gonna be real. So we're gonna do what every good developer does, and we're gonna debug it. So we're going to print the damage here. Original damage. Okay. String damage maybe. And then underneath, let's do new damage. And then I'm going to resize the window so that I can see it. I'm going to buy 2 potions in case I need to test this. Let's see what happens. Also, I realize my cursor doesn't scale, and that's funny to me. It's still the big old cursor. I heard the Kraken. Oh no, he's in the alchemy shop. That's unfortunate. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Pirates Cove. Or Merchant's Cove. It's my bad. Okay. So the original damage is 1, and the new damage is 2. So there was 2 shadow balls, and it worked. And I know you can't see that, but if I hide the Godot game, you can see in the console log. Perfect. What just happened? Why did it close down? Did it crash? Okay, so the issue is it's not sending the correct damage over. So let's go to the Cannonball Basic and figure it out. Damage is 1. Does it ever get reset? Let's open up the Shadow Ball. Damage is supposed to be 2. It is doubling it though, so that's good. But I don't think it's sending the right damage over. They'll extend Cannonball. And the damage gets set there, but never reset. What about when we spawn it in with the player? Let's see. Cannon. Oh, this is a terrible idea. Okay, I think I found it. So we need to, I don't think I have a dot damage. It's just this one. Okay, so that's just the tentacle. So I'm not even sending the cannonballs damage. This is a bug I didn't even know existed. So I'm glad we had that focus mode today so I could see it. All right. So we've got cannon's top. And then we have the direction and the velocity. But we're not sending the damage from this. Cannonball mixture. The mixture is from here. We return the filter by upgrade, and we return the name of that cannonball. Okay. So let me print this upgrade so that I can see what structure of data I'm working with. It's not giving me the details of it. It's just giving me the resource name. Okay, but it is returning a different unique upgrade. Cannonball type. So they do just have a dot damage that I can pass. It's been a while since I've looked at these parts of the code. Let's do this. Okay, so everything's 1, 1, 1, but if I spawn the shadow one, it should be 2. It's 5. Okay, so I just need to pass this damage. All right, we're on to something. Okay, so whenever we create the cannonball, we need to pass the upgrades damage. Okay, let's go here. Let's print the cannonball.damage and just see if anything comes out of that. Make my window smaller. Okay, so far it's not coming up with anything. So let's see. Okay, it's when I fire these ones off. Okay, so one of them had two. All right, it's passing the damage here. This is good. So why is it not passing to the splash? We'll just mess with the basics for now. All right, the cannonball splash scene. Sending splash damage is equal to damage, but this isn't the case because this damage isn't getting sent. Oh no, do I have to do this for every cannonball? No. Resources. You work, but you don't work at the same time. Okay. All right, well, let's see if this works, I guess. It's fine if I have to. There's not that many cannonballs, but it is kind of annoying. Moonrise Rabbit, thank you for the follow. Welcome in. Also, in case you're wondering, the animation says you're pump chumping. That's a good thing. That means you're carrying yourself with authority. That was an accidental thing that I said when I was making my last game. I was like, we're just pump chumping. Not even what I meant to say, but it stuck. Pump chomping, love it. Yeah, it was my character. I feel like I need to. I'll need to show it off. Hang on. Let me. I gotta hit something first with my cannonballs, and then I can show you the animation that's in question. Okay, 2 and 2. It's supposed to be 5. We'll get the damage passed. But this was the animation. Look at him. Pump chomping. Look at him go. He's pump chomping through the office. This is a survivors styled game that I made. This is my first hand-drawn art game, but I wanted to mess with spine. I was learning animation and stuff, and so like the run animation is just kind of it's there, but I had so much fun making this, and like his face changes every time you pick something up. You can like kick people, all your coworkers. You just kick them out of here. Yeah. And then we named like different objects from the viewers. Like that one's Gomp. That's Key's desk, so that's nothing special. One of these lamps. Oh yeah, Falsoft Games is one of the lamps. This plant, his name's Emperor Chlorophyllus Vagabond Deathmaster the Fourth. So we have fun with it. Whenever I'm making games and stuff, there's channel point redeems so people can name my games. Brutal, right? You just go around kicking your coworkers, you throw lightning bolts at them. I mean, it's about Key, the board warrior. He's like a troll, so it makes sense that he would troll his coworkers. And they're not dead. They just fall down. They're not dead. They're sleeping. What's your dilemma? just get it. If you're gonna use it, you're gonna use it. Yeah, but okay, 5 pounds of polyfill for $16 sounds worth it to me. I mean, where else are you gonna get $16 for 5 pounds of anything? I mean, you can't even get 5 pounds of food for $16. But you can eat polyfill. No, you can't. You can't do that. It's a terrible idea. Okay, why isn't the damage passing through? Does this cannonball not have any damage? Cannonball basic. Oh, okay, hold on. Hold on. Am I passing it through? There's so many levels here. Maybe I need to close everything that's not. Let's focus up a little bit here. Let's close anything that's not the player or the cannonballs. Animated heart, get it out of here. I have too many windows open. Okay. So we're testing the shadow ball. Cannonball basic. We are passing the damage to the splash. Then the splash is checking it. And that's fine. It did work. It's noticing that the splash damage is happening and it is doubling it. So this function's working. But my basic damage, I need to be sending over from the player. And I don't think I added it. So we want to do cannonball damage. Cannonball is equal to the mixture. Right, right. This is grape shot. These are all other cannonballs. Okay. So the cannonball here, let me just print the cannonball damage. Make sure that the cannonball damage is in fact getting sent out. Just realized how stretched out it is. Okay. It fired all 3 of those for 1 damage. Okay, but only 2 of those were 2 damage? Why? Why is the shadow only 2 damage? Oh, okay, the shadow ball is 2 damage. Oh. Okay, that's right. So that means I need to send this damage over to the cannonball. Too brain dead to talk more, we'll just enjoy watch listening. Well, thank you. I appreciate you hanging out. And lurking is welcome here. I know it's a birthday celebration and everyone's welcome to talk as much as they want, but honestly, I mostly do like co-working style game dev anyways, so feel free. No shame in hanging out. I was doing it to Irish John for 3 hours and he had no idea I was even lurking. I was like the Kraken. I think I add this to the cannonball. Okay, here's how we test this. We up the damage to 10. Ah, tentacles. Did I remove the print statement? I think I did. All right, Kraken. Oh, he spawned on top of me. Okay, the 10 damage went through. Well, it just says original damage 10. Why does it say that? Why didn't it double it? Cannon type. Cannon type equals type. Is this the wrong one? Cannonball auto. Type is default. Type comes from these. What? Why does it say it's default? Oh, is it default or auto? Oh, that's the spawn type. I should be taking these damage. Oh my gosh, it's so deep into where this stuff's coming from. All right. So the name is where it's supposed to be setting this. Do these have names? I can add a name in here. Call it type name. Okay. So I'm using resources to determine what these should be doing. So that means the goo ball should be doing 6 damage. So I'm not even passing these values. Why did I never do that? Here. We'll put bugs in here. Cannonball damage not thing. I think that's an appropriate bug that I can add. And once that's done, as long as the Kraken doesn't flip upside down, I think it should be fine. That means I have to open all these cannonballs. Okay, type. All right, let's go ahead and add this to the auto one as well. Okay. So I was under the impression that type was sending like shadow, fire, goo, all that stuff, but it's not. I need to send it as the type name. Yeah. So just send the mixture name to it. And then I can check name type. And then on the splash, we say cannon type is shadow. Just make sure that's what it's called, shadow. Okay, so it should take that. Now, the damage is not passing either, so let me just make sure that's passing. And this is only going to affect the bottom cannons right now. Yeah. Okay, just the bottom cannons for now. Then we do cannonball dot damage equals mixture dot damage, right? So I can test this. I'm going to set this to 20. And we got an error. Name type is not declared in the current scope. Is it type name? Did I just do that to myself? Oh my gosh. My fault. I don't blame anyone. All right, let's go get the shadow balls. Hurry. Okay. I don't think that it's going to tell me how much damage is unless I hit something. Ah, no! Why is the Kraken upside down again? He needs to chill. 20 damage. It's working. It's passing. I just got to do it to all the other ones now. All right, let's put this back to 5. It did 20. It did the original damage. Hold on a sec. Cannon type is type name. Let me print the type name here. Of course he disappears. You little scaredy cat. Oh, it has to hit the shadow. Dang it. Where you at, Kraken? Oh, so close. Okay. It's only doing the original damage. That's good. So it's 1. It is passing through. It did not print this, though, because it's only on the shadow ball. I'm gonna go get the shadow balls. We'll test it again. All right, Kraken. Make yourself known. If he's in a place that it's near impossible to hit him with a bottom cannon. Okay. I'm getting a lot of empty space error messages here. So I don't think the type name is actually getting sent. Okay. Type name, it needs to be a string. Player. Let me print the name here. Should give me some better results. Okay, default. Cool. Shadow. Okay, it's sending it. It is definitely sending it to the right place now. Let me add this to the other cannonballs now that we've got that working. That's the top cannons. Then the auto cannon. Oh my gosh, why is the grape shot so different? Okay. Okay. And then the back cannon. Doing all these after the velocity so that it's in the same place. Ooh. That was sour. All right. In theory, these should all have the correct stuff. sure my print statements don't exist. And I think I'm just try it. The splash. Cannon type is being sent. All right, let's see what it does. He disappeared right when I needed him. That jerk. Oh, he's right there. Okay. It worked. It's definitely recognizing the original damage is 5. That is good. Hey! Hayden is silly. Welcome in. Hey, you got a goob. First time chat, first time raid, and you're already part of the club. Welcome in. How was stream? What were you working on? Oh, Valorant. Okay. Wasn't working on anything but was playing Valorant. All right, hey, you know what? That's okay. That is okay. I'm gonna go ahead and follow you. I don't play Valorant anymore because I spent way too much money playing it for a free game. That sounds, you get it. But no, I love Valorant. Even the community is not as toxic as the League community, and it is silly. I think I recognize your name though. I think I've seen you before. But hopefully your Valorant session was pretty good. Haven't spent any money yet. Hey, all you do, you just load up into a match and you ask people for their skins. Problem solved. Yeah, okay. I've seen you in Fern streams, that's right. And it says you're a game developer too. What games do you have? Do you have anything that you can share? And if so, let me know and I'll permit you. I mean, having that icon means that you have something in the game DB. That's what I do, but in grocery stores. You go around asking people for their skins? Cool box. Oh, snap! Granger with the 5 gifted subs. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, look at that. Hexic Dev got one. Nano Dev got one. That's awesome. Well, thank you, Granger. And welcome the 5 new people to the average goobies. Yeah, sniping them. Miker as well. That's awesome. Thank you, Granger. I appreciate that. Wow. Well, we definitely crushed all the sub and follow goals, so thank you everyone for that tonight. This is amazing. Pipe in, what's up? Lurking away, huh? Oh wow, Miker's actually here as well. Look at that. It picked people who are actually here. You know, that does not happen that often. I got a random sub to somebody I've never heard of, somebody I've never followed, somebody I've never viewed their channel, but I got a sub to them. It was like, how does it pick people? You haven't published anything properly, but you made 4 games, 2 on Roblox, Explode, and Cocoa Pops. Okay. I've heard a lot of people recently doing games on Roblox. I think I have to look into it a little bit, see what kind of platform they got. And then you got 2 games in Make Code Arcade, Breaking Bad, The Game, and Jerry's Diner. You made, wait, Breaking Bad, The Game? Like official? That's pretty neat. Jeez, I got distracted again. I don't know what I was working on. My brain got scrambled. Okay, not official, just for a school project. They let you work on a Breaking Bad game? That's kind of cool. Wait a sec. Oh, Canon type. I was like, what am I printing here? I think the Kraken disappeared. This has become a theme. I think he just disappears really fast. He's gonna appear right on top of me. I can feel it. And he's upside down. I wonder why. I wonder what that is. Okay, okay. It says default, original 5. Can you please shoot him with a shadow one so I can see what the message says? Thank you. It looks like it's just thrown default this entire time. Okay. Type name. That's interesting. Type name should definitely be sending the right one. Where is it? Pop. Okay. The mixture name is being sent to the type name. Also, happy birthday. Thank you, Caden. Appreciate you. I know I chose to stream on my birthday, which was a weird chant move, but I felt like stream has been a huge part of my life this year. So I was like, well, let's celebrate together. Let's make sure this is actually setting the right name. Yeah, I mean, like I said, it is a little, it makes sense to me. I've got 100 videos on YouTube now. So yeah, this year's definitely been very different. I was not expecting that. And Pearly with the loses the glasses. I could have sworn you can only do that once per stream. Oh my gosh, and you got me twice? And the Kraken's upside down. Okay. Oh wait, hold on, let me... Hang on, I gotta get the overlay for this. Okay, in the bottom left, we got a timer for the no glasses. I didn't do it the first person. Oh, that's right. That's right, Llama did it. Oh, you guys are working together on this. I can feel it. Oh, I died. Okay. All right, I didn't see that one coming. All right. Well, and of course, would you believe that I have to make my window small so that I can see the debug log? So, okay. Oh, it definitely says shadow. I think. Yeah, it says shadow. So I'm sending the right ball. Gosh dang it, this is where I'm like really trying to code too. I could just sit here and talk. How's everybody's night going? Hope all is well. I can blow up chat a little bit so I can see it and we can all have a nice conversation. Also, when you wear glasses all day, every day, you really don't realize how bad your vision is. Goob stare. Oh, yep. All right, so I'm sending the right one here. And it's sending it to the shadow ball. Okay, so when the shadow ball spawns, this is when I need... Okay, we'll do a ready function here. I want to print the type name. My vision's so bad, I legit can't see anything with your glasses. Wait, what? You gotta get new glasses if you can't see anything. Oh, these aren't my glasses. With I know achievement, I know. Yeah, I don't think I can. I think my driver's license says I need glasses to drive. I think I'm legally blind. But you would think like a 27-inch monitor, like I could, it's not that far away, but dang is it hard to see anything. And 2 times in one night. I'm impressed. I gotta make it more expensive. Everybody's, well, it is once per person per stream. I mean, how many people really have? You have 100,000? Oh, okay. Well, apparently Stellar Frog can do the no glasses every stream for the next 10. Wait until I'm playing. Yeah, the Elden Ring one, I literally couldn't see anything. It was so bad. Why? Okay. This Kraken is consistently upside down now. I can't see anything. I can't see anything. You can't hold anything up for me to see. Okay, so when it gets here, when it spawns, it's printing the name. Oh, hold on. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's still printing this mixture name. All right, I'm going to make this easier on me. We're going to open up the pause menu and I'm going to re-enable the shop. Don't tell anybody. I can cheat now. Okay, so I don't think it's actually saying the correct names. And he disappeared. Okay, so it's spawning like empty areas. Why isn't it sending it? Type name. Okay, but when I send it the player, type name is the mixture name. This is correct. And I'm shooting it with all of them, yeah? No. Oh, I am. It's right here. I just can't see it. Okay, I can put my glasses back on. Yeah, that wasn't that long. It seemed like an eternity when you can't see anything. Okay, we can zoom back out. Okay. No, I'm good. Thank you. You can if you want. Hmm. Sending the type, but it's not setting it. This is the instantiation. Sending it here. And we're setting the mixture name and the damage. The damage is working. I have rugby eyes, so I was weakened from the start. Yeah. Yeah, I've been hit in the head a couple times. I played football for like 10 years. Couple concussions. My eyeballs kind of just like float around, you know? It's no big deal. Huh? Okay. Well, I thought I was going to be releasing this tonight. I'm definitely sending this type name. Type name. Maybe. What if I just sent this as null? Never really played sports. It's just my eyes look more like rugby balls than a football. Oh. Okay, that makes more sense. I mean, isn't that weird though? Like, it's like the roundness of your eye and like how it accepts light is how we can see. I mean, it doesn't make any sense. Why haven't we evolved with everybody having perfect vision? That makes more sense though. But like when they do like LASIK or whatever, they like curve your eye or something. I don't know. Ugh, ugh, ugh. No, thank you. Not my style. Okay. Okay, okay. I just noticed something. It's only working with the autocannon. Type name equals null. Is it because I was like explicitly setting this to a string or something? Nope, they're just all null. And the autocannon is shooting out the front. That was everything just messed up. Okay, everything is null. Why? It's just printing out empty strings. It's not even setting that it's a shadow ball. Ugh. I mean, it works. Like all the damage and everything works. It's not saying all this stuff. That's okay. Need to head to bed. You got an early morning. It's 2:30. All right, get some sleep, Caden is silly. I appreciate you stopping by and thank you for the raid. Hope you have a good rest of your weekend. Thanks for choosing this destination. All right. So oh. Canon type is set to nothing. But it's because it's not here? Type name. Oh. think it's here. I think I found my culprit. I don't even think I'm logging stuff anymore. Dang it. I think I found what happened. Just need the Kraken to spawn, but I'm gonna go here. We're gonna go back to the splash. And I'm gonna print made it to 2x shadow. All right, size my window. Cheat in some shadow balls. You would disappear. Okay, the type is definitely not going through. It's just a bunch of empty logs. What are you doing upside down? Why are you doing this? Okay, well, it is transferring the damage now, so I guess it doesn't really need the double shadow damage. It does not. Okay. Maybe. Oh. There's two of those. Oh, maybe this is my culprit. No, I don't think that mattered. It didn't matter. But I'm getting closer to finding the issue. I think, I hope. Canon type. Flash.canon type. Type name. Type name is a string that we're sending. Both for auto. Okay. And the player is the one that determines that when it gets spawned in. If we go up to the auto, where is it? Set the type name equal to mixture name. Do I need to move this further down? Grape shot. I guess technically this. Ooh, maybe it does need all of those because each one is a different cannonball. Okay. Mixture name, mixture damage, it's sending it. The cannon's top. Mixture name sets up here. It definitely makes it down here. And then the cannon bottom. Here's the mixture name. And then sends it down here. Okay. Returns the upgrade. Whenever we find upgrade by name, return this. And the shadow ball has a name of shadow. I need to make it a string? Oh no, what happened? I wonder if I need to make it a string. Or I just get rid of this. All right, let's try that. I wonder if it gets all, I wonder if it's flipping upside down because I'm resizing my window. Because I feel like when I resized it, the cannonball was shooting in a weird direction. I don't know, he's just doing it. Oh, hold on. Why did it make it to 2x shadow damage? It's working now. Oops. Okay. Sure. I'll take it. Oh, I love that the cannonballs are actually dealing damage now. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, we checked off the bug. We created it and we fixed it. What up? Okay. So it is passing it in now. I just need to find those print statements. All right. And then the player. Awesome. Okay. That's all fixed. Now, let's make it so the Kraken stops spawning upside down. Scale equals vector. You know what? I'm just going to do x equals 1. Scale dot y equals 1. I wonder if this is causing it. There you go. Come on, bud. I know you're there somewhere. Okay, there he is. Okay. We saw it working fine. Now I'm going to resize my window. Yeah, you better run away. Let's make him spawn over here in the alchemy shop. What? Where is he? Oh my gosh, he's at my original spot. Okay, well he spawned fine here. I think it might have been my scaling code, putting him at vector 0. Also, dude's dead in 3 hits. I gotta get more health. Alright, I think we did it. I think this is a shippable game. Let me just give the Kraken some more health. I mean, I think it deserves a little bit. 100, 100, cool. Let me go ahead and fix up the debug things and just give it kind of a test, little full view of it. Let's get rid of the Kraken. Everybody say bye, Kraken. And then check it out. I think having the player start in Merchant's Cove is a great place to start because then you can see, oh, I need money. Okay, well, how do I get money? We got to go travel the world. And then you already know Merchant's Cove is down here. All right. Let's give it a little play test that it deserves. I'm going to pause the Spotify music and we're going to boost it for RTN's soundtrack. Let's give it just a full ambient Arrrrchemist feel. All right, here we go. All right. Honestly, from that first chest, I almost had enough to buy the first potion. I have enough to buy the first potion, and because I made the first potion a combination, we can actually have goo right away. So this will help us get the rest of the money. Then we can also hover over everything to kind of see what it does. I don't really have a tooltip for the level. I don't really, I mean, it's self-explanatory, right? It doesn't really affect anything, it just affects kind of the money you get. So the more ships you kill, the higher level monsters that spawn and stuff, so. Cool, little health right away, nice. Ooh. The goose almost messed him up. Also, the enemy's health scales as well. I might want to make it scale off the player's level. Right now, it's just scaling off the number of enemies you defeated, which isn't terrible. We'll just save that box for later. Need the money. Whoa! Oh, masterful dodge! And I got hit. Alright, 198. Yeah, I feel like I don't have to voyage too much to get the potions, which is kind of what I want. That guy must have been a low level. There is one more feature I did want to add, which is making elite enemies that do fire off these special cannons. And I was like, could have done that if I planned for it. The double goo. Okay, okay, little health. Get gooed. Oh, I missed the ramming. That's okay. Must have been a low level guy. Alright, let's head back to Merchant's Cove, and I'm pretty sure I can get a couple more potions now. Alright. Okay, not bad. So, I mean, I might actually put these back to their original prices now that I've upped the amount of money you get, and it's based on your level. I think you do have to kill quite a few ships, and it's like, it's pointless once you've killed the ships. Oh, I need to make this back cannon a little bit less time, too. Ooh, the shark's getting big. Dang it. Oh, he came out of the water swinging. I missed. And I gave the player back to 100 health. It was at 200 when I launched it for the game jam, and then I brought it to 125 once I made it easier to kill the shadows. And now that the health drops from ships, I was like, it can go back to 100. And I might lower the amount of health you get from chests now to balance that. Oof. No, keep him frozen. Bless you. Alright, ramming still works. I haven't tested that in a while. Cool, I got the double ram, not bad, plus the healing from that. There we go. Hey, Rin. Thank you for the hydrate. Got some water right here. Ooh. Ooh, did you see the whale? By the way, the whale gets massive. Oh, jeez. Need that money shark. Holy cow. Yeah, my money scaled way fast. Being level 5? That's a ton of money. I'm at 1400. I can just buy the rest of the potions now. And then now there's nothing left to get in the potions, so. Alright, let's get these guys out of here. What are you doing in Merchant's Cove being all violent? Get out of here. Oh, the whale's getting bigger. You know what? I think I can make the opacity just a little bit less so that they actually show up like they're in all the different water patterns too. What was another whale? Okay, I think that just means that I've killed 10 players, is all that means. Yeah. There we go. We want the whales to start spawning at a certain point. Okay, and then... gotta make all the potions worth, like, a lot more. Cannonballs, here we go. Okay, and let me just open up the potion shop so I can see the order. Okay, green. I think 100 is fine. The blue potion, we're gonna go back to 250. Red potion, let's put back at 350. Purple is very powerful, so this one's gonna go 666. Just kidding. 550. Wait, what did I do for the red one? 350. Okay. And the orange one, we'll do 600. And yellow, 700. Okay. Okay, 100, 250, 350, 550, 600, and 700. Perfect. So I got like 1400 gold at level 5, so I think that'll be plenty of time to mess around. You got to kill 40 enemies before the Kraken spawns anyways. But I think we did it. I think we've got ourselves a little game here. Oh, all right. Well, I think that's going to do it for me. But let's go ahead and find somebody to raid. Let's see. Been doing a lot of game dev. Maybe we can pass on some game dev. How about Let me find somebody that's live. Everybody looks like everybody went offline. Okay. You know what? I have never rated Leah T Codes, but I've watched her stream a lot. So let's go over there. It's going to be a lot more developer heavy. And it looks like they're doing PHP. I'm a PHP guy. I like PHP. So thank you everyone for hanging out tonight. I appreciate all of the bits, the subs, the gifted subs, the prime subs, everybody's support here. Thank you so much, everyone, for hanging out for my birthday. I could not thank you enough. So I appreciate all the support. And if you like the content and you liked what you see, stick around for future streams. I don't really have a schedule anymore. I was trying to stick to a schedule, but any day of the week, look at like 7 p.m. Eastern time. If you see me, I'm probably going to be here for a couple hours. So thank you for hanging out. We're going to start this raid over to Leah T Codes. Thank you for the follow, Hypnotic Games. I appreciate you. Irish John Games, gotta head off. Well, good night. Thank you again for the raid and all the support, man. I'm glad to be part of the developers. One day I'll get you to go to Godot, but hey, that's just me. All right. Thanks, everyone. I hope you have a great rest of your weekend, and I will most likely see you probably Sunday night. So, see you then, and I will have the game launched by then. Have a great night and a great rest of your weekend. Bye.